ready.
Anyway, let's get your face in as well. Go on, girl.
That's how wet it is. Oh my. Why is it foaming? Good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday, midweek Audax. I've not even explained, have I? I'm on my way to an Audax. I did in my last video, but in case you didn't see that, I'm on my way to a midweek Wednesday Audax, and it's going to be hilly. It is 100k and 2,500 meters elevation, so it's going to be a fair bit of climbing, I would say. And it's been raining all morning, and I'm like, no, don't get it rained off. I don't want to ride in the rain for 5 hours or whatever it's going to take. So luckily the rain has stopped, so I'm just hoping, fingers crossed, the weather is going to remain dry. It has been raining, so it is wet on the ground, so I've got my mud guards, so we should be okay. Fingers crossed. And it's all training. I'm not a fan of riding in the rain. So me and my friend Ben, so you'll see him in a minute. You've seen him probably on my other videos from Thailand. So Ben is riding with me today, and yeah, I'm just pumped to go and do 100k, a hilly 100k. I just love climbing. Some people just do not like climbing, but you know me, I do like a good mountain and I like a good climb. What is this? The sun is out. Hallelujah! So we're at the start. Well, I'm at the start. Ben's not here yet. Just had a little tinkle before we set off, and there's quite a lot of people here actually. I thought because of the rain and being midweek that it might not actually be that busy, but it's looking good. I'm pretty excited. The sun's come out, so I'm very excited. I always get that it's like a nervous, excited, happy feeling at the start of an Audax. It's just, love them. Absolutely love Audaxes. You might have gathered that by now. Ben's just getting his ticket from, well, his card. It's the first kind of big climb of the day, I think. I'm not really sure where we are. I know we're in Cheshire. I'm not sure what the climb is. It said old brickworks, but it's not brickworks, I don't think, because I've got that segment saved, so I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that was brickworks. It came up as a segment at the end. Stopped. It started raining. I put my jacket on. The rain stopped, but it's very windy. It's pretty grey and pretty windy, and it's raining a bit, but I'm at my bike and I'm happy. Put your jacket on. It's got a little bit raining. There's snow up there. There's snow. I think we're going down for a bit now though. So we'll try we are doing for 30k, 750 metres. Not bad, not bad. It's raining, quite bad, but it's not cold, so I can hack the rain if it's not cold, and I'm quite toasty as we are. We're almost come up to about 50k, so near the halfway point. Look at that switchback. Woo woo! The sun is out! Oh, has it gone back in? Look at that view. Through at Mansell Head. It's just so pretty. Look at that. Ben there, you're warming up. Amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Ben, look at this woman behind me.
Yeah, I know, it?
She slipped over.
It's amazing, isn't it?
And she's got like mud all down her face. I shouldn't laugh because I'm going to probably slip as well. She's just recalling the events of her slipping in the mud. Let me see. What are you even doing?
I was trying to pull that nerd face, but I was like halfway through getting there.
Nice little hike bar. One little minute. The chocolate one's the best one. So good. A few minutes later, we're in the sunshine. That is a big portion, look at my hand. That is a mighty fine portion. That's already tucking in.
Putting my stockings back on.
Woo woo woo! Do 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 do. Pull them up then.
You silly sod.
Woo!
Check it out.
It never gets old. I do this every time. It never gets old. What do you mean you need to get moving? You're one that's been knobbing around in toilet.
As soon as we walked outside, you know.
Let's go. It's raining.
In there.
My feet are wet now as well. Let's get moving. Let's get some heat. Let's get some heat in these legs. Oh my god.
Cold water.
I know.
The joy.
See, that's why mine's got a hole in it. Woo woo! Lovely rainbow. As you can see, the weather's changed slightly, and it's absolutely chucking it down. We're heading up through the Goit Valley now, which is meant to be really nice, but the weather is just... Oh my god! You can see on yours like how wet you are. It is pretty rainy. I'm happy though, are you? I'm happy. We're riding our bikes, aren't we, so? Woo! Let's go. Oh! Quite fun doing that, coming down, it's absolutely pissing it down. And I've got a flat tyre, so... Do you know how to use one of them? I don't know how to use them.
Oh, I've no idea.
I've
got a pump though, haven't we?
Hey?
You've got a pump though, haven't we?
Turn the camera on onto you. Look how wet it is. This is the
It is absolutely pissing it down. And it's only 3 degrees. It's fucking toasty.
Right. I think I'm going to have to whip it upside down. Right.
Just a good smile. It seemed to not say anything. This time around beforehand it said not enough thing on the SD card, but it seems to be alright.
Right, put that on there. Make sure there's nothing on the rim.
What you sang when I was changing my leggings? I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
I'm going to do the Benny Hill one.
I do love changing these.
Say again?
I do like changing these. I don't know.
You do like what?
I do like changing them.
You do?
I don't mind it, yeah. I feel like I'm...
Well, to be honest, you're quite quick at it.
I haven't done it yet. I don't think
Yeah, this is the fucking difficult bit.
Thanks, Ben. You've got the muscles, man. I don't think I could be any wetter. Like, I don't think if I was in the shower...
You get to 100% saturation and you can't go.
It's like, well, that's it. I was having such a good time coming down that hill as well, and now I'm like, ugh. This is the worst time to get a puncture. Oh, right. Are you ready?
Anyway, let's get your face in as well. Go on, girl. Fucking minging.
That's how wet it is. Oh my. Why is it foaming?
Have you washed them recently?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Do that.
Yeah, at least the rain has stopped.
Yeah, and then now the rain stopped now. We've changed the tyre.
Sod's law, isn't it?
Now we're on our way. I don't think I'll be able to get my hands back in this beast.
Yeah, I might have to swap you and do mine as well.
Ben, I need a wee as well. I'll have to wait.
To be honest, mate, you've done really well because like you've normally had about 6 by now.
That's what I'm getting better. Hydration.
Go vegan and take up cycling, guys. It's amazing.
It's amazing. It is. Like, where else would you do this? Like, you're just stuck at the. Where else would you do this?
Where would you prefer to be? Freezing cold and soaking wet, with a flat tyre?
In a bath, or in Goit Valley. This is way more fun. The worst bits of a ride are always the bits that you remember.
It's just amusing. It's not. I'm not actually that uncomfortable. It's just amusing.
It's just funny. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's just like we're still miles away from anywhere, and we're just like not moving.
And all my glasses are steaming up.
Oh.
Do I look good?
Say again?
Do I look good? Oh my god, that's all twisted. It's been a long day. We've done 100k. Like, this has been a bit mental.
This is the longest 100k I've ever done.
I think I'd have to agree. Oh, about 10k to go and I've had enough. Like, I just almost bonked. I've run out of food, and then luckily Ben had a bar, so he was giving me that. I just feel like I'm just wet and I'm getting cold, and I'm just like, oh, I just want to be back. This is not fun anymore. It'll be alright, it's just because I'm hungry and it's late and we've been out for so long, and first world problems. At least I've got a lovely warm home to go to, food in the fridge, warm shower. Think positive. So we're at the end of the ride, and this is how bad it was.
Look at that. Nice.
It was wet and it was very cold. Let's have a look at Ben. We've still got a few k to go actually to the car.
Innit?